This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the LD Micro Invitational 2019 in Bel Air, California. With me right now is Tracy Pagliara from Williams Industrial Services Group. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is WLMS. Tracy, welcome to SNN.Live.
Thanks for having me. Happy to be here.
It's great to have you on. So for our audience, let's start with an overview of the company and then go from there.
Sure. Williams is a provider of maintenance and construction services to a wide array of blue chip customers in the industrial, power, and energy space. We're headquartered in Tucker, Georgia, which is outside of Atlanta.
So let's get a history of the company. When did it start, and how did you develop to where you're currently at today?
So Williams itself was started about 50 years ago. It was a family-owned business. In 2005, Williams was acquired by Global Power Equipment Group, and it remained a part of Global Power Equipment Group until 2019, when we completed until 2018, when we completed a restructuring of Global Power Equipment Group and then renamed Global Power Equipment Group Williams. So now we're a Williams-only services platform.
So I want to talk about a little bit of the competitive landscape. You know, what about Williams is different and unique when compared to the competition?
Williams is the best nuclear projects contractor in the U.S. We are one of the few nuclear project contractors that can serve the full life cycle of services for nuclear facilities. We build them, we maintain them, we improve them, and now we're in the process of helping decommission them.
And that's your main market that you service, or do you service some other verticals as well?
We serve we break up our business into power, energy, and industrial. So in addition to nuclear, we have a number of fossil power plants that we do work at. We also have paper mills. We do wastewater treatment. We're doing oil and gas work as well.
And what's the size of some of these total addressable markets that you're going after?
We believe the size of our total addressable market over the next 5 years is in the range of $600 million to $2 billion.
And what's your background? I mean, how did you come into all this?
Well, my background is I'm a lawyer by training. I had an undergrad degree in accounting. I joined Global Power Equipment Group in 2010 as the general counsel and head of business development. And I've been faithfully working in the company for the last 9 years. And during the restructuring process, I got an opportunity to work very closely with the board, and they promoted me to be the CEO.
I say all you're missing is the MBA with that background right there.
Well, I have good industrial background. I worked for a company called Gardner Denver before joining Williams, so I have good industrial experience in my history.
So then, from what you can tell me as a public company, what are some of the company's growth drivers now moving forward?
Our growth drivers are really the fact that we're a turnaround story. We've completed our restructuring, so we're able now to grow our core business, which is our nuclear and fossil power business. We weren't able to grow as much because we had some limitations on our ability to finance our growth. And we're now we're focused on our 4 new end markets and customers. One is decommissioning, as we spoke about, oil and gas, Canada nuclear, and really water infrastructure.
And Tracy, where can our audience go and find more information about the company?
WISGRP.com.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the LD Micro Invitational 2019 in Bel Air, California. With me again has been Tracy Pagliara from Williams Industrial Services Group, publicly traded company. The symbol is WLMS. Tracy, thank you very much for joining me.
Thank you. It's been my pleasure. Take care.